So I just washed my hair. I used the Aussie Moist line. It's the coconut shampoo and conditioner. So now I am jumping into moisturizing my hair, but I'm using the yall rice water. And I just put like a dime size amount on my hand, and I put it throughout a section of hair. I have not combed through my hair yet, so I'm gonna do that now. I'm using my unbrush. I love this brush. Of course, start from the tips and work your way up. But this brush is so good. It just detangles like a dream. I've already said that. It's like butter. I'm going to do the same thing all around my head. I'm not putting too much of this because I don't want my hair to be heavy whenever I style it. Okay, so now I am going to oil my scalp. This is just my preference. I know a lot of people don't do this step, but I like to. This is the Curls Blueberry Mint Scalp Treatment. And then massage it in. And I'm just putting this on the scalp. I'm not putting it like throughout my strand. I'm gonna start working on this back section of my hair. So I told y'all I have my hair in 4 sections. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're working in the back. And another thing I want y'all to know, I'm using this product right here. This is the Crazy Sexy Curl honey foam. I'm gonna start using the foam right now. And I just take it throughout that section. And it smells so good. It smells like honey. And as I'm going through it, I'm gonna also keep brushing. So I'm gonna start it just like it's a braid, a cornrow. Side note, make sure if you're using this honey foam, make sure you don't put any oil in your hair, and also make sure your hair is damp. We're just braiding it nice and flat to the scalp. And then when I get about halfway down, I brush it out again. I add some more foam. And then I actually turn this into a twist. So here's my braid. And then I take this section and split it apart from this section. Hold it nice and tight and start twisting it. I hope you guys can see this. It's like a 2-strand twist out. So I have my foam in there, and now I'm just gonna keep twisting. So I'm using these white little rollers. I have the white ones and the purple one. I'm just rolling the hair, like layering it on top of the other hair. And that's how that's gonna go. I also wanted to add, whenever you get to the part where you're rolling the hair up, I'm only double stacking the hair in the area where I want my hair to stay. So it's like an extra measure of security. Once I do that, I start bringing the hair all the way up the root. So I'm gonna part this section down the middle. We're still in our second quadrant, if that's what you call it. We're still there. And then I'm actually going to split it again. To comb through, and for this area we're just gonna do regular twist. I'm not braiding, and I'm twisting it going back away from my face. At this point, I'm just doing a flat twist in the front, and I'm making sure that it's going down towards my face so I get lots and lots of body. So I wanted to talk about the little roller process again. You want your hair to dry thoroughly, right? So anyway, I'm layering the hair when I first start out rolling because I don't want it to slip and fall out. But once I do that process, I'm gonna start taking the hair all the way up the roller so that it's spaced out enough to where it can dry. And I hate that I'm gonna have to use these rollers, these big old foam ones, but I'm out of everything else, so. This is how I want my hair to lay. For the last step in this process, we're gonna blow dry it like 80% of the way. I'm gonna go put my bonnet on, and then I'll come back to y'all tomorrow and we will take this down. Good night. Good morning. So it's the next day. I'm gonna go ahead and remove my cap. Not putting any oil on my hands because both of these products were pretty oily last night. But I am going to be careful unraveling these because they're a little bit damp. I don't want to make them super frizzy. The back of my hair still needs some drying, so I'm gonna go in and diffuse a little bit. And I'm putting this on hot. Oh, look at this, how cute. I'm just kind of mad with how these little spots turned out, but I'm gonna put some mousse on them and try to fix that a little bit. I'll see the hair. I'm gonna take my pick and just go through the roots. I'm so mad that this did not get dry enough. Oh, it's like ruining the whole look. Alrighty guys, so I went and got a spray bottle. This just has water in it. And I'm going to spray the ends of my hair down and just try to revert that curl. And then I'll let my curls do their thing. Get some of that water out. And then I'm just going to use my blow dryer on low again. So this is the finished hair. All I did was fix the edges, and then I put my hair behind my ear, and it's giving a little bit more. I'm a little bit happier with it. I think it looks really cute. Key takeaway though, make sure you let your hair fully dry. Thank y'all for watching. I really appreciate you guys. I hope y'all have a very blessed Easter, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.